right, as you saw in the title of the video, I got a nick with some tiny cracks in my glass roof. So I wanted to walk you guys through the entire process of how that happened and how my particular insurance company dealt with it. So the way it had occurred, I was driving and I heard the typical rock against glass sound, that real loud smack. And I'm looking around the car, and couldn't find anything. Well, then I was parked the one day, and I looked up, and right overhead was, I don't know what, maybe 3/8 of an inch, so I don't know, 9 millimeters, something like that, 9 or 10 millimeter long crack with the chip in the middle. So I'm driving in my car, and I just think to look up, and I notice, look at that. I have a nick that has become a small crack in my glass roof. So I'll be taking you guys along for the ride as I research that. When I reach my hand around the top, I can feel that it is indeed a chip out of the glass. So I'll be going into my insurance agent and talking to him about it. Oops, sorry for the focusing problem there. There we go. I did ask my insurance agent about this, and they said that my glass coverage for the car does cover the glass roof. So we'll go ahead and start that process and, see what they have to say about it. Well, I had been told that the glass roof on the Teslas are just your normal safety glass, laminated safety glass, and therefore repairing it should be identical to repairing a windshield. So I use American Family Insurance as my particular insurance provider. I gave them a call, and now, as a side note, before I bought the car, I had talked to them about whether or not the glass roof would be covered under my insurance. They said yes. I don't have windshield insurance coverage. I have auto glass coverage on my policy, and they said that if it's just a nick, that can be repaired on the spot, that there would be no charge. If they have to replace the entire glass panel, they would have Tesla replace the panel, and I would just pay my $250 deductible payment for that. So I used a place, they referred me to this All-Star Windshield. There we go. All-Star Windshield Center, and that is the local carrier for doing the repair work for American Family Insurance. And they send out a guy named Kevin, young guy, really nice guy. And he told me, he says, I've never fixed a glass roof. I don't have a clue about that. And I said, well, you look at the edge of the glass, it's laminated safety glass. So he's like, I'll give it a try. So he repaired it, and you can barely see what's left, just the tiny dot in the middle where the resin was inserted. All right, well, as you can see, this is where the little chip or crack was, and it is completely gone. I can just, in fact, it's not even showing up. Oh yeah, maybe you can see it on camera, just the tiniest bit. There's a little dot there. That's all that's left. So I'm very happy with it. The guy did a great job, and really good. So started with a crack in the roof, and 10 minutes later, no crack. So apparently standard windshield repair methods work to repair the glass roof. Again, there was no charge to me, so I'm very happy about it. It was easy to schedule the appointment, and the repair went well. So all in all, a good experience. But I know this is going to answer the question that many people have about the glass roof. Is it the same as a windshield? Can it be serviced in the same manner? And that. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So you guys have yourselves a wonderful day, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. Man, that really hurt.